Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to change your settings on X, formerly known as Twitter, to see sensitive content. Now, this process is straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Let's start with the easiest method, which you can do directly within the X app itself. First, quickly head over to your App Store, and then search for X and see if it has any pending updates or not. If it has an update, simply complete it and then open the application itself. Now, inside the application, you should be able to see your profile image at the top left corner. Click on that. Then scroll down and click on the drop-down menu for Settings and Support. And over here in the Settings and Support panel, you should be able to see an option called Settings and Privacy. Click on that. Now, over here in the Settings panel, simply click on Privacy and Safety, and then look for an option called Content You See. This is where you'll find the main options. Now, over here, the first thing that you have to do is click on Search Settings. And over here in this menu, make sure that the option for Hide Sensitive Content is disabled. So if it is blue, tap on it to turn it gray, and then it will be disabled. Now tap on the back option at the top left corner to return to the Content You See screen. Here, enable the main toggle to see sensitive media. Now simply restart your application and the settings will be activated. So that's it. You now know how to adjust your settings to view sensitive content on X. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So, thank you for watching, and take care.